Omar Lutfi here at lutfi.com. Today's video is called What If We Lived Inside the Air Conditioner?
Inside?
Yes, inside the air conditioner.
All right, here is the compressor part of the new air conditioner, and this is the horse trough filled partially with water, and inside this is an air compressor.
Wow!
And the air compressor goes up into for right now, the garage, and the other part that's down here is the section that the Raspberry Pi that controls the temperature sensors and can turn on all of these lovely outlets on and off based on the temperature sensor data. Okay, here we are in the garage, and here's where all the cords come out of the wall.
Through that hole? That's a nice hole.
Yeah, it is. And we have a attic fan that I improvised here that can be turned on and off from the Raspberry Pi. And up here there are two temperature sensors.
And a bug.
And a bug. And down here we've got this is the expansion valve. So what that does is that lets the compressed air that gets compressed in the basement and cooled down in the water, it brings it up here to expand and cool down the garage area. And that's basically how it works.
Okay, first of all, I'd like to talk about the upsides of this. It doesn't use refrigerant. It uses air to decompress, which is much easier to use than traditional refrigerant. It also allows you to capture the heat from the compression cycle to help heat up your hot water that your house needs. The downsides to it is that it's not going to be as efficient, and another downside is going to be that you're going to have to capture the humidity that's in the air. Otherwise, in the long run, it's going to mess up your compressor.
Ew, humidity's icky.
Yes, it is. And so that about wraps it up. So this is just kind of the version 1.0. I still have to deal with extracting the heat better and getting the humidity out of the compressor. But once I set that up, then I can get a good idea of how efficient it is with the Raspberry Pi and the temperature monitors. And I will have an update from there. So if anyone has some comments, please feel free to link or to comment below. Or hit the like button or the subscribe button. I don't know where they'll be. Editing is not my strong suit. And that's about it. Thank you for watching.
Okay.
What if, hear me out, you lived inside the AC unit, like instead of the house, but not instead of the house, because the house is the air conditioner.